There are three kinds of birds. Eagles, buzzards, turkeys. Eagles, they don't fly in pack. As high altitude birds, they have wings, are able to fly high and don't display pompous or arrogant behavior. Buzzards, it is common for buzzards to step on your head and elevate themselves for their own purposes. The aggregate thing for a gathering of buzzards is a wake. And the worst kinds of birds, they have wings but can't fly. Their only activity is to profile and pretend to be someone they aren't. So which type of birds do you choose to be?